Alright, do another one.
Can I see my video?
Of course you can. Good job. Put the ball in the middle. Make sure the ball's in the middle of your feet, okay?
Okay.
Alright, get the last two. Just one at a time, bud. Just one at a time. Concentrate. Keep your eye on the ball. Job.
One more.
One more. Put it in the middle of your feet. There you go. Try it one more time.
That's easy.
Okay, concentrate. There you go.